Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a bit different, especially for all the One Piece fans out there. As you know, there aren't many good One Piece games for mobile, but there's one that really stands out. One Piece Fighting Path. It has both story mode and PvP battles, amazing graphics, and great gameplay physics. But here's the catch, it's not globally released yet. It's only available in Chinese, and everything in the game is in the Chinese language. Don't worry though. In this video, I'll show you how to download and play it in English, no matter where you live. Before we start, make sure your phone has good specs and at least 2 GB of free storage. First, go to x7game.com. I'll leave the link in the description or comments. Download the X7 Game app from the site. This app lets you download games like One Piece Fighting Path easily. Once it's installed, tap the profile icon in the bottom right and log in using any Gmail account. You'll get a verification code in your email. Enter that to log in. Now search One Piece Fighting Path in the app and download the game. After the download, install it and allow all permissions it asks for. When you launch the game, it will download resources and then ask you to log in with your X7 account. Just use the same Gmail you used earlier. Now, yes, the game is in Chinese. But the X7 app has a built-in translator, so you can understand menus and dialogue while playing. This is a huge help for non-Chinese speakers. That's it. Enjoy the amazing gameplay. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.